day guys, my name is John Mark Marang,
And I'm Christian Banyas.
and for today's video, we discuss about ICT and multimedia. Right partner?
Yes. What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the integration of different forms of media such as text, audio, image, imagination, and videos.
Multimedia can be found in various forms like presentation, website, e-learning, entertainment, advertising, marketing, and of course, digital art design.
What is ICT? ICT included in any communication, division, or application encompasses radio, TV, network, and etc. ICT is more than just physical devices that transmit information.
Example of ICT: computers, smartphone, tablets, routers and modem, telephone, satellite system, and radio, TV, fax machine, walkie-talkie, and of course, internet things.
That was the meaning and some example of ICT and multimedia.